Come test drive this 2014 Acura MDX. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Acura infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, a headlight cleaning system, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, and leather upholstery. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.